Okay, we finally got back to our watchdog project, a web application. Let's open the window a little bit so that we can see what we're doing. Right? And we start by clearing the log. The log can actually slow the computer down. And right now we are running at 4 samples per second. This computer is connected to a web camera through the USB port. It's a desktop computer, and we only have the orientation, the landscape orientation available to us. But this application has been written for, designed for mobile phones, smartphones, or a handheld device of some sort. So we need this, therefore, this portrait orientation, and that is what this container is. And to this end, we have added some buttons. These buttons allow the user to manipulate these elements up here and this eye over here without using a mouse. And we want to do just that. If all of the color bars are inside their respective color boxes, the alarm is going to be set off, conditionally though. And let's do just that. Let's turn the alarm on so we can hear what's happening. Alright, and we need to move the green down a little bit. So let's do that. Green down a little bit. No, it's red, sorry, green. Down, perhaps it's a bit narrow. The bars are a bit unstable, so let's make it a little bit more tolerant. And here we move the blue level monitor. We also increase its size, and let's move its top down. And there goes the dog. There goes the dog. If one of the color bar gets outside the color box, or its respective color box, that is going to enable the alarm. And when all the bars are back in their boxes, the dog is going to bark. It seems that the red may have peeked out of its box. I'm going to try and move a little bit, and there we go. And again, okay, I'm going to silence the beast and publish. We downloaded this application. It is now available in your downloads folder, and we're going to publish this as well. We're going to add the QR code, drag this QR code into our application, adjust the size a little bit. Anyone aiming its QR scanner at this element will be directed to this application. You can use it as you wish, free of charge, with one condition, and this condition is that there is a reference whenever you publish this application somewhere, there is a reference to Visinode.net. And let's publish this page. It is now available at https://visi.net/visi_ct.html. The page is now at your discretion, and good luck.